Hi, everyone. This time, we at LAD thought we'd introduce something that everyone sees probably every day, but hopefully doesn't look at, the sun. Its light is too bright for our eyes, and even sunglasses can't be used. Sunglasses are only used to ward off glare. They're not a sun protection. The images we will be showing you were taken with properly filtered telescopes. Please do not attempt to view the sun directly without proper equipment. The sun is the only star in our neighborhood. It's approximately 93 million miles away from us, but that's actually an average, as the Earth traveling around the sun does so in an ellipse, though not a very elongated one. The difference is only about 3 million miles, from 91 to 94 million miles. This change is very insignificant, but it does cause some people to believe it is important in changing seasons, when actually the differing distance between the Earth and the sun doesn't really create any seasonal change. In fact, the Earth is closest to the sun in early January and furthest in July. Now let's look at the sun for a moment. It is the largest body in our solar system. Our neighborhood, the solar system, is named for the sun because of the total amount of material in our neighborhood. Our sun contains 99.84% of it. The rest, just 0.16%, is everything else. The planets, moons, comets, asteroids, meteoric material, everything else is made up of just that tiny number. Our sun creates the light and heat necessary for life. It is also considered a fairly middle-aged star, several billion years old, with a lifetime of possibly about the same time left. That is very important for us, as life on Earth took billions of years to evolve, and we don't want to think we have to hurry to leave our planet. The sun has a cycle of spots on it, termed sunspots by Galileo in the 1600s. It normally lasts about 22 years, with approximately 11 years of a fair amount of them, or sunspot maximum, and then about 11 years of very few or possibly none appearing on its surface. Right now, we are getting ready for a sunspot minimum. If you've been able to observe the positions of the sun in the sunrise and sunset times, you've noticed that it doesn't rise and set exactly due east and west. This is a result of the 23.5-degree tilt of the Earth, which has it appear to change its position in our sky. As the Earth revolves around the sun, because of that tilt, differing amounts of sunlight can be detected at differing places at differing times of the year. This was very important to our ancestors, some of whom created incredible tributes to this. The best example is Stonehenge, which on the first day of summer, the sun's light pours out through specific stones, announcing the beginning of the new season. This year, because of the pandemic crisis, this event will be televised for everyone in the world to observe. For the last 6 months, from our perspective, the noonday sun has been reaching higher in the sky. And on Saturday, June 20th at 5:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the sun will reach its highest point in its motion across the sky. This is called the solstice point. This signals the beginning of our season of summer. If you compare the height of the sun at noontime the next day, you will notice it will be lower. Hey, thanks for listening, and we hope we'll be with you again very soon. Thank you.